Pineapple, the sweet and tangy delight, Ananas Comosus. When I think of tropical fruits, pineapple, scientifically known as Ananas Comosus, takes center stage. This crown-topped wonder has always fascinated me with its unique appearance, delicious flavor, and versatility. Let me share my personal experiences with pineapples, delve into their fascinating background, and explore why they hold such a special place in culinary and cultural traditions. My first encounter with pineapple. Growing up, the pineapple was always a symbol of indulgence. I vividly remember my first bite, a mix of tangy and sweet that awakened my taste buds. The texture was both firm and juicy, making it unlike any other fruit I'd tasted. Pineapples became a treat I'd look forward to, especially during summer gatherings where fresh slices were a staple. The origins of pineapple. Pineapples originated in South America, specifically in the areas around Paraguay and southern Brazil. Indigenous people spread the fruit across the tropical Americas long before European explorers arrived. When Christopher Columbus encountered pineapples in 1493 on the island of Guadeloupe, he introduced them to Europe, where they quickly became a symbol of luxury and hospitality. Today, the pineapple thrives in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide, with major producers including Costa Rica, the Philippines, and Thailand. What amazes me is how this fruit, once rare and expensive, has become accessible to almost everyone, while still retaining its exotic charm. Anatomy and nutritional benefits. One of the most striking features of the pineapple is its appearance. The tough, spiky exterior hides a vibrant, golden interior. The crown of spiky leaves atop the fruit is iconic, making it instantly recognizable. Nutritionally, pineapples are a powerhouse. They are rich in vitamin C, which boosts immunity, and manganese, essential for bone health and metabolism. They also contain bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that aids digestion. Whenever I feel sluggish after a heavy meal, a small serving of pineapple works wonders. Pineapple in the kitchen. One of the reasons I love pineapples is their versatility. They can transform a dish, whether sweet or savory. Fresh pineapple. There's nothing like the juicy burst of fresh pineapple slices on a hot day. Smoothies. Blending pineapple with coconut milk and banana creates a tropical smoothie that I can't get enough of. Cooking. Pineapples are fantastic in savory dishes like pineapple fried rice or as a topping for grilled chicken. They add a natural sweetness and a slight tang that balances rich flavors. Desserts. Who doesn't enjoy a classic pineapple upside-down cake? It's a nostalgic treat that brings back memories of family gatherings. However, I have a love-hate relationship with pineapple on pizza. While the sweet and salty contrast with ham appeals to some, it remains a divisive topic at my dinner table. Growing pineapples. Growing a pineapple plant is surprisingly easy, and it's a rewarding experience. I've tried rooting the crown of a pineapple in soil, and watching it grow into a healthy plant has been deeply satisfying. The process takes patience, around 2 years for a plant to bear fruit. But the joy of harvesting your pineapple makes it worth the wait. Cultural significance. Pineapples have always symbolized hospitality and warmth. In colonial America, they were displayed as a sign of welcome and even incorporated into architecture. Today, they remain a popular motif in decor and design, representing joy and friendship. In Hawaiian culture, pineapples play a central role, reflecting the island's agricultural history. Every visit to Hawaii isn't complete without tasting fresh pineapple or visiting a plantation. Challenges in sustainability. While pineapples are a delight, their production isn't without challenges. Conventional farming often involves heavy pesticide use, raising environmental concerns. As a conscious consumer, I try to choose organic pineapples or support brands committed to sustainable farming practices. Another issue is the labor-intensive process of growing and harvesting pineapples, which often leads to exploitation. Learning about fair trade practices has made me more mindful of the impact my choices have on farmers and workers. FAQs. What does the pineapple mean sexually? When I first learned that the pineapple is a symbol of hospitality, I was quite amused to discover that it also carries a playful sexual innuendo, often associated with swinging in certain circles. Can chickens eat pineapple? I once threw some pineapple scraps to my chickens out of curiosity, and they seemed to enjoy pecking at the sweet, juicy fruit. Can cats eat pineapple? I occasionally give my cat a tiny piece of pineapple, and while she finds it interesting, it's clear she prefers her usual treats. When is pineapple season? Living in a tropical climate, I eagerly anticipate pineapple season in the summer, when the markets are brimming with the freshest, sweetest pineapples. Can guinea pigs eat pineapple? My guinea pigs love the occasional treat of pineapple, but I make sure to give it to them sparingly due to its high sugar content. Can rabbits eat pineapple? I've found that my rabbits adore nibbling on pineapple, though I limit their intake to prevent any digestive issues. Do pineapples eat you? The first time I heard that pineapples contain enzymes that break down proteins, I joked that the fruit was trying to eat me as I ate it. Can bearded dragons eat pineapple? My bearded dragon seems to enjoy a small piece of pineapple now and then, but I ensure it's an occasional treat because of its acidity. Is a pineapple a berry? When I discovered that pineapples are technically berries, I was fascinated by how much there is to learn about common fruits we take for granted. Is pineapple low FODMAP? Since starting a low FODMAP diet, I've been pleased to find that pineapple fits well within my dietary restrictions. Does pineapple juice help with wisdom teeth? After my wisdom teeth surgery, sipping on pineapple juice helped soothe my sore gums, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. How to make candied pineapple? Making candied pineapple has become a fun kitchen experiment, and the sweet, chewy results are always a hit with friends and family. How much pineapple to give dog to stop eating poop? To curb my dog's unpleasant habit of eating poop, I tried adding pineapple to his diet, and it surprisingly worked quite well. What does pineapple mean in girl code? In girl code, mentioning a pineapple can be a playful way to hint at adventurous or flirtatious intentions. What does pink pineapple taste like? Tasting a pink pineapple for the first time was a delightful experience. Its sweeter, less acidic flavor was a refreshing twist on the traditional pineapple taste. Can goats eat pineapple? My goats get excited over pineapple scraps, and it's a joy to watch them relish the juicy fruit. How many calories in a whole pineapple? I was shocked to find out a whole pineapple contains about 450 calories, making it a delicious yet relatively low-calorie treat. Why pineapple doesn't belong on pizza? I've had many debates over whether pineapple belongs on pizza, and my stance remains firm. The sweet and savory combination just doesn't work for me. Can ducks eat pineapple? Feeding pineapple to my ducks has been a fun experiment. They seem to enjoy the occasional fruity snack. Can hamsters eat pineapple? My hamsters love tiny pieces of pineapple, and I enjoy watching them nibble on the juicy chunks. Can horses eat pineapple? I treat my horse to pineapple occasionally, and it's amusing to see such a large animal enjoy the tropical fruit. Can pigs eat pineapple? When I offer my pigs pineapple, they gobbled it up quickly, proving they love sweet treats as much as any other pet. Can rats eat pineapple? My pet rats are small, but they eagerly take tiny bits of pineapple, enjoying the sweet, tangy taste. Can you freeze canned pineapple? Freezing canned pineapple has become a convenient way to keep the fruit on hand for smoothies and desserts. How to cook pineapple? Cooking pineapple is a versatile process, whether I'm making a tangy sauce or incorporating it into savory dishes. How to grill pineapple slices? Grilling pineapple slices adds a smoky sweetness that complements savory dishes and desserts alike, making it a favorite summer treat. Is a pineapple a bromeliad? Learning that a pineapple is a bromeliad was an eye-opener, deepening my appreciation for this unique and versatile plant. Is pineapple a diuretic? Pineapple acts as a natural diuretic for me, helping to reduce water retention and bloating. Does pineapple juice help with swelling after surgery? After my surgery, pineapple juice was a natural remedy that I found effective in reducing swelling and speeding up my recovery. Pineapple versus ananas. I found that pineapples and ananas are essentially the same fruit, but I remember my first taste of a fresh pineapple. So juicy and tangy. It was like a tropical explosion, whereas the ananas I tried from different markets sometimes lacked that same punch. Pineapple versus banana. When I compare pineapples to bananas, I think of pineapples as my go-to for a refreshing, tart kick in a fruit salad, while bananas are my comfort choice for smoothies and snacks with their creamy sweetness and ease of use. Pineapple versus cantaloupe. For me, Pineapple wins for its zesty brightness in fruit dishes, but cantaloupe has been a summer favorite for its sweet, mellow flavor that's perfect for a chilled dessert after a hot day. Pineapple versus coconut. I adore pineapple for its bold, citrusy flavor that dances on my taste buds, but coconut's subtle sweetness and creamy texture in dishes and drinks have also become a staple in my kitchen, giving a different kind of tropical vibe. Pineapple versus mango. Pineapple always stands out for its sharp, refreshing taste that pairs well with savory dishes, whereas mango has that silky sweetness and tropical richness that makes it my top pick for smoothies and salsas. Pineapple versus orange. I find pineapple's tangy flavor to be a bit more exciting and versatile in recipes compared to oranges, which I enjoy more for their simple, sweet juiciness and ease of peeling when I'm craving a quick snack. Pineapple versus papaya. Pineapple is my go-to for a bold, tart flavor in fruit salads, but papaya's soft texture and subtle sweetness have made it a favorite for a smooth and gentle taste, especially when I'm looking for something more mellow. Pineapple versus strawberry. Pineapple's bold tanginess often takes center stage in my fruit bowls, but strawberries are my sweet, juicy go-to when I want a burst of fresh, red flavor that's perfect for snacking or adding a touch of sweetness to desserts. Pineapple versus watermelon. Pineapple's vibrant, tangy taste makes it a star in tropical fruit mixes, while watermelon, with its refreshing juiciness and lightness, is my choice for hydrating during summer picnics and keeping things cool and sweet. Final thoughts. Pineapples have been more than just a fruit in my life. They're a connection to nature, a source of joy in the kitchen, and a reminder of the importance of mindful consumption. Whether I'm savoring a juicy slice, blending it into a drink, or admiring its symbolism, the pineapple never fails to brighten my day. Ananas Comosus is more than a tropical delight. It's a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Its journey from the Americas to global recognition reflects its universal appeal. I encourage everyone to embrace the pineapple in all its forms. It's a sweet and tangy reminder of life's simple pleasures.